Today we are going to review a very interesting tool called Hyperbrowser AI, a platform that lets you to run hundreds or even thousands of AI-powered browsers in the cloud to automate the tasks that normally take a lot of time. If you have ever wished to could have many browsers working at once to collect data, test websites, scrap the information, or run the repetitive online tasks, Hyperbrowser promises to make this easy by using the power of cloud computing and artificial intelligence. In this video, I will explain what Hyperbrowser AI is, how it works, and what makes it different from traditional automation tools, and whether it is worth to using for your business or your project. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to check out the Hyperbrowser AI. And if you check the link from description, any available benefit or free trial that will be applied automatically, so you get the best experience with less confusion. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, let's understand what Hyperbrowser AI actually is. At a basic level, it is a cloud-based platform that allows you to run multiple browser sessions using artificial intelligence. What this means is instead of opening one browser window and doing tasks manually, you can set up the automated process that run across many browsers in the cloud. This is helpful when you want to repeat actions like visiting websites, collecting online data, filling out forms, testing the user experience, or even training bots to interact with the web pages. Because it runs in the cloud, you do not need to keep your computer on all the time, and you can scale up to run hundreds or thousands of tasks at a time. Now, one of the biggest advantages of Hyperbrowser AI is the parallel processing. Imagine you have a list of thousands of websites to check for the specific information like pricing, contact details, or product availability. If you do that manually, it could take days or weeks. But with Hyperbrowser AI, you can distribute these tasks across many browser sessions that run at the same time in the cloud. This significantly reduces the time it takes to finish the large job, and the AI helps manage those sessions so you do not have to watch them one by one. Another strong feature is AI control and automation. Hyperbrowser allows you to set up workflow or scripts that guide you how each browser should behave. You can tell it to look specific data, interact with page elements, scroll, click button, or extract the information. This makes the platform useful for tasks like web scraping, market research, competitor analysis, and repetitive testing that would normally require a lot of manual labor or complex programming. A major benefit of Hyperbrowser AI is that it works in the cloud, which means the heavy processing is done on powerful remote servers, not on your own computer. This is important because traditional browser automation tools often consume the lot of local computer resources, making your machine slow or overheating. With Hyperbrowser AI, everything runs in the cloud, so your personal computer stays free for the other work. You can set jobs to run in the background and come back later to collect the results. Another advantage is the scalability. Not all automation tools let you increase the volume easily. Some tools require the complex setup and server hosting knowledge just to run multiple sessions. Hyperbrowser AI makes it much simpler. You can scale your process from a few browser sessions to hundreds or more without needing to manage the cloud infrastructure by yourself. This makes it accessible even if you do not have advanced technical knowledge or skills. It's also worth noting that Hyperbrowser AI includes monitoring and reporting features. After your jobs run, you can see the results in a structured format like tables of data, logs of action, screenshots, or fully activity reports. This helps you to review what happened during the automation process or check for the errors and make better decisions based on the results. For example, if you are collecting price information across many sites, you can review the gathered data quickly without having to inspect each page manually. Of course, tools like Hyperbrowser AI also have the limitations. One of the most common challenges with large-scale browser automation, and that is dealing with websites that block bots or require the complex login and captcha steps. The AI can help around some of the challenges, but in certain cases, you still need to configure settings or use the proxies to avoid rate limits or access the issues. This means while Hyperbrowser AI simplifies a lot of work, it may still require some knowledge about how web automation works to get the best experience or the best results. So that's all for today's video, and that was the review of Hyperbrowser AI. So if this video helped you to understand how cloud-based AI browser can speed up your work and handle large automation jobs, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to run smarter, faster workflows. Now, thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next video.